culture is really important. I mean, we've seen over recent years that it's become much more commonplace that everybody in an organization wants to reduce energy and reduce carbon emissions. So I think there's been a step change. Um, but I mean, over the years, we've seen that one of the biggest barriers to improving energy and carbon performance has been a fear of what it might do to the rest of the process. Operators, engineers won't change the way things happen because they're frightened it will affect waste, it will affect productivity, it'll affect quality. And using data and digital solutions can help to overcome that. It allows you to understand the different objectives and constraints. And if you use data in a way that brings along an organization, brings along the people in an organization so they can understand from the data in the way that you're, as a domain expert, are understanding the data, then that really helps. If people buy into the conclusions that you're coming to, then that has a really significant impact.